Hey guys, this is Austin Blake at Just Toss Fair, and you saw my video on me testing this DVD player with speakers on the Vizio TV. Well, this time we're gonna test it on the, wait for it, the portable VHS. Can you unplug this actually? Take two marker, action. By a portable VHS. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and we even got speakers hooked up to it, so we can actually. Now I haven't grabbed a VHS tape yet. I will go grab one probably by the end of the video, but let's go ahead and probably hook up the speakers to it, which is gonna be very interesting. So the speakers are hooked up. You turn them on. Look at that. It is actually going from speakers. So I got DVDs here. We're gonna test them all out. We'll start with Justin Bieber, Never Say Never. It has the Paramount TV logo on it, obviously. So that's why we're gonna try this one. So put it in, and we'll see what happens with these speakers. Hopefully you can hear the speakers. From here you can, if you can't, then we might just plug it in the first jacket. So yeah, that was the Paramount TV logo. Next is Spider-Man 3, which is rated PG-13, has the Sonic Entertainment logo. Let's go ahead and pop that one in. Again, just there's the speakers. There's a DVD. Probably not going to show the PG-13 rating this time, just in case there's not enough room. There could be enough room, but I'm just not feeling like it. Next DVD. So, right here. The amp bully, which has the Warner Home Video logo on it. And we'll pop that one in. I might actually test both the THX VHS and the DVD Broadway at the end of this video. So that's one home video. And then the last one was just super scratched, but I just feel like putting it in anyway. The Mask Kellogg's rare copy. It obviously has the Alliance Alliance logo and it's rated PG-13, but the Alliance Alliance logo is scratched, which I will show you on the VHS player this time. But yeah, these speakers are good. You definitely hear them. This DVD probably tries to play the opening best on this DVD player now. Right away, of course, you can see the scratchiness. Okay. So it's going to the DVD, you know. So that's the mask. Then I'll just cut this here real quick to test the THX Broadway logos, and then we'll end the video. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I got this stuff here, and right away you can even hear there's like a little white noise in the speakers. Wow, the VCR's on. Yeah, does that. Doesn't do it when it's off though, but we're gonna test the VHS. We're gonna do the VHS of Toy Story Da. We're gonna see how the THX VHS version and the DVD version sounds on this thing with speakers. And trust me, VHS tapes with speakers is interesting. So let's see. It even makes that little noise.
Presentation.
Alright. So that was Toy Story Da. I'm gonna have to put the RCAs back in for Pearl Harbor, which I'll actually cut to the DVD menu for the THX Broadway logo. Alright guys, so now I'm on Pearl Harbor, and here comes the DVD version this time of the THX Broadway logo. Hit play, and here we go. Prepare your ears. Yeah, no, I'm trying to capture both at once, but obviously the brightness is so bright on that thing. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for using this on, and the speakers on the VHS player. It can even play VHS tapes with speakers on them. I wonder if maybe I should do the Winter Home Video 1985 logo with this. Tell me if I should. I'm thinking I should, but yeah. This is Austin, ladies and Just Toss fan, signing out.